To do this little quick house tour, and I'm kind of lagging a little bit. Sorry for not posting it forever. I said I would post, but I didn't. This is just the little house tour. I just built it a few minutes ago. So this is my kitchen. This is my little island. This is a little dining place. It was empty, so I just put something random there. This is a phone to invite my sister when she joins the game. And this is my living room. I used the traditional one. I was gonna use the simple one, but I was like, no, let's just be a little bit bougie and use this. This is my first time actually ever using this oven and this stove, because I always just use the basic one. And yeah, microwave and oh, wrong way. So yeah, this is my room. I tried to make it a little bit aesthetic. Aesthetic. Yeah, this is my computer where I do school and do my work. This is my TV. I use iWatch TV because. Your cup, because I'm about to back up the chair. Okay. Yeah, this is the bathroom. It's a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. It's not too big. It's not too small. Then to put it where the fan is. Okay. Yeah. That's just what I did. I was gonna add a backyard. Yo, should I add a backyard? I don't think I could. I can. No, I'm not gonna add a backyard because I'm broke. It's morning. Yeah, I'm about to start school and I need to go work. So yeah. Ooh, should I do that elf thing? I'm gonna make a video on it, and cause I can't find none of the elves. Like I found like 3 of them, but I can't find the rest. So I'm gonna make a separate video on that. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching.